Hello students, this is me Sajid Saleem. I am excited to be a part of an esteemed online platform Valeem. I am here to teach O&A level economics. Let me introduce myself to you. I have done MS Economics from the Institute of Business Management Karachi. Currently, I am associated with NAKHLAH for O-level economics and with Army Public School Malir Kent for A-level economics. I am also a visiting faculty member at the Institute of Business Management Karachi. I have been a part of their esteemed economics department for the last 3 years. I have taught many students and my teaching experience it spans over more than 10 years. I have full command of the marking scheme and the examiner report, and I have attended trainings for O-level economics as well as A-level economics conducted by Cambridge. Many of my students have managed to score an A and A star in their studies. I aim to develop a mutual learning environment and my students develop a critical approach towards relevant economic issues. If you want to score an A star, then Valeem supplies grades on your demand. Join my classes and learn the smart way.